Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 2, Lordship, for adjournment. My senior is out of station for a marriage ceremony, Lordship. Any day after vacation, Lordship.
Just wait, we'll have to call all the items and then pass orders because these are old matters. We'll
Okay.
have to look into the records. Just wait.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3. Lordship, we have submitted adjournment slip yesterday, Lordship.
Just wait. We'll consider it, but let us take the record because these are all pending matters.
So,
We'll have to pass orders.
Yes, Lordship.
हाँ, ताकि जितना पास होगी। नहीं, माफी दियो, shooting में use करिए।
Supplementary item 14 for motions.
Mr. Pang, you can get information.
My lord, actually, I sent the instruction for last debate, my lord, yesterday. Can it be at 2, my lord? I will get by. Where is the
Okay,
possible?
At 2, we
If possible, at
we have
1
some
o'clock, my lord, before rising.
Before rising.
Yes, before rising, I'll try to get.
Suleiman, wherever you are, just keep a watch on the scroll. We'll give you a name there.
Yes.
For hearing item 1.
No, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Here in this case, Your Lordship, I, to Lordship, attention, page 20, Your Lordship.
You were absent all throughout.
Yes, Your Lordship, on 20, it was an ex parte order, Your Lordship. Page 20.
Yes, after that it was set aside, then 3/3/2018.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Then, Your Lordship, page 21, Your Lordship, for setting aside of the ex parte order.
We have seen that 30 page,
Lordship,
page 35, that is your impugn order.
Yes, Your Lordship. Then, Your Lordship, this impugn order is page 35 to 39, Your Lordship, and I have relied upon Your Lordship. Page 36 may kindly be looked into of the opinion, Your Lordship. 14 executed documents are here, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship, page 44 may kindly be looked into, Your Lordship. So Mahmood Ali is the father-in-law.
Yes.
Saiwan Bewa is the grandmother. So the name of the father again appears in the voter list of 1970 as well. Page 46. And she will also again find place, page 47, 1985, father's name. Then you lost it. Page 49, my name is there with my father. My father's name appears at serial number 261. And my name is there with my father, your lordship, page serial number 263, Siddiq Ali. 97 voter list, page 49. May I proceed, Your Lordship? As to why the petitioner was prevented to appear before the tribunal is there reflected in the order itself, Your Lordship, because of mental illness. And the doctor certificate is also regarding doctor certificate discussed. Your Lordship. Then page 50, 2006 voter list. Again, my name is there with my father. My father is as 261 and my name is there as 263. Then 2010, Your Lordship, is 51 with my mother. Samarthavan Bibi, wife of Mahmood Ali Kari, 311 and 312 Siddiq Ali Kari. So right from 1997, Your Lordship, till today, as it appears from the voter list of 2017, the name of the petitioner is there. And besides all these documents, one land document has also been exhibited, Your Lordship. That is periodic Kiras Patta. So for the information derived, Your Lordship, still the petitioner has been suffering from mental retardation. So that my submission is only restricted to rested on Your Lordship. Since
Mental retardation, I don't think we've seen a document here. with
yes, Your
regard to-
Lordship, that's not there, Your Lordship, but in the opinion it has been reflected, Your Lordship. Because the Your Lordship, even in the miss case registered that time also, Your Lordship, in the opinion it has been discussed, Your Lordship. And it's a genuine, Your Lordship. Even yesterday, Your Lordship, I got the information, Your Lordship. That His condition is very bad, he's loitering, your lordship, and doesn't have any, your lordship, mental faculties totally, as per information directive. I don't know, your lordship, there's no, we don't have the supporting documents, your lordship, as of now, your lordship, but so far the information.
We
your
understand, but we can't do anything about it because we are not the original authority.
But your lordship, if your lordship allow me some time, your lordship, because yesterday I had a telephonic talk, your lordship. They told me that they would send it, your
You
lordship.
see, let us say that we allow that application, your prayer, oral prayer. On that, you will produce a current document. It does not show us the mental status of the person
Lordship, lordship,
in the year 2017-18.
lordship. Yes, your
We are
lordship,
now examining the evidence which is recorded in 2017-18.
lordship, lordship. That is indicated in the opinion itself also, your lordship. That's.
Shows this, which paragraph?
Page 25 of the High Court judgment, your lordship.
Page,
Page 25, your lordship. Plea taken by the petitioner that he was suffering from mental illness, which was the cause of his default, was disbelieved by the tribunal on the ground that such plea was supported by a medical certificate, which was a very recent origin, dated 21/08/2017. As per this certificate, the petitioner was suffering from psychiatric illness for 2 years, which did not explain the protected default before the tribunal.
So what does it say? How does it matter?
Because your lordship, in a psychiatric passion, more particularly, so in some regular,
that was not accepted by the
Yes, your lordship.
tribunal or by this court.
but your lordship, more particularly in a psychiatric passion, your lordship, sometimes they becomes normal in your lordship, some, again, that's what happened so far the psychiatric complaints are concerned, your lordship. Otherwise, all documents you have, after recital of all the documents annexed here, your lordship, it makes it clear, your lordship, right from 1997, your lordship, till 2017. All documents are there, even the petitioner with his father. There's no even the need of regarding nothing has been said regarding the linkage, your lordship. Linkage is established already. Only thing is that, your lordship, so far the ground taken, plea taken.
Linkage has been stated that there is no link has been made out. And you are submitting that like there is no ground of linkage. You see page 38. Paragraph 2.
Yes, 38, paragraph 2.
Here is your written statement.
Written statement, your lordship. Lordship.
Page 18.
Written statement, your lordship.
Page 18.
Yes, your lordship. Page 18, 19. In a written statement,
Your name appears with your father in 1985.
97, your lordship.
97. No, 1985, I think. It's
1980.
five.
uh, 1980, page 49, Lordship, page 49. 261, when my father's name is there. Page 49. And my name is there, 263. Page 21, Your Lordship, may kindly. Order dated 27/10/2017, Your Lordship. Second paragraph. Curry is added only. Yes. Other things are, your lordship, so for, subsequent voter list are good, because in the earlier voter list, Mahmood Ali is only there. So Kari is only, because your lordship, as first direction of this honorable High Court, your lordship, I have reduced my evidence in chief, your lordship. I have reduced my evidence in chief, because after filing WS, I defaulted, your lordship. Then reason assigned there, your lordship, as to what prevented me to remain absent, your lordship. So then now now my submission rested in your lordship. So the other things will be disbelieved, your lordship, because right from my father name is there, right from 1966 to even my name is there with my parents, your lordship. Only because of one, your lordship, this Kari Moham, because Mahmood Ali is the original name given by the family members, your lordship. So Kari, this term is used, your lordship, by the villagers, your lordship. So far, I don't know, your lordship, but as they informed me, your lordship, because he's a religious person. So he could recite this surah and all well.
What does it mean, Kari?
Kari means those who are religious, this Kari could recite your surah like. this carry is used in lordship, carry. So in Mohammedan, there are so many problems are there, lordship. So some villages, actually original name is Mahmud Ali. This name is denying the fact, your lordship, rightly pointed out, your lordship. As to why this, subsequently, why this name appears. And also, your lordship, page 21, one certificate issued by Dr. Nobo Jyoti Kalita of Swagat Hospital and Research Center, Bongaigaon on 21st/08/2017. This photocopy, they have submitted, your lordship. And petitioner stated that he has been suffering from illness and therefore could not appear after 11/8/2015. But OP has not been able to submit any medical certificate except the certificate dated 21st/08/2017, which is a recent one that is issued before 2 months from the date of filing the instant petition and passing the expiry order. This is what is pointed out by the learned tribunal. And the medical certificate disbelieved. In FT cases, lordship, is very difficult to establish linkage, but here in my case, your lordship, except the carry and this defense not been taken by the tribunal earlier. And it is because of competence, because they are not well versed. Rustic villagers. Lordship. Lordship, I have relied upon you, lordship. Your lordship totally acceptance of lordship. So all the documents has been 14 agreed documents are there in lordship. My submission is that 1966 from father, even parents' name is there. From 97, my name is with my parent, your lordship. And more so, your lordship, one additional document is there, land document, your lordship. And your lordship, on humanitarian consideration, your lordship.
Where is the land document?
Land
exhibit
document is the
number?
last, your lordship. Lordship, page 55, your lordship. Meadi Kiras Patta number 160. His father's name is there. So for mental illness is counted, your lordship, totally on humanitarian consideration, your lordship, to the acceptance, your lordship. Lordship, kindly allow me for the last time so that I can narrate all the details which have not been discussed earlier. Along with this certificate recent.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Lordship. I think, Lordship, these are not pleaded in the WS, Lordship. Yes. Hmm. Lordship, may call for the record, but Lordship, I have one submission, Lordship, regarding that, Lordship. A proceedings totally failed to establish his link with his projected father, whose name appeared in the 1966 voter list. Because why I am saying, maybe my lord, but Lordship will kindly see the evidence part, page 33. আঠ ন বছৰ মানতে দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু হয় Mahmood Ali, my humble submission is that Lordship, Mahmood Ali and Mahmood Ali career not same in one person. Because Lordship, if evidence, we consider the evidence, Lordship, page 33, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, exhibit 14. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Correct.
Yes. Yes. Seventeenth November. Yes. Yes, Doctor.
84. Okay, wonderful.
Yes, Doctor. Doctor may call for the record, but Doctor. Yes. Yes.
In the brother's case also, what my lord is saying, that in the brother's case, the same documents have been relied,
Yes.
so the record may be required.
Yes. For 1203/2000, BNGN oblique FT oblique case number 1206/2007. In below BNGN oblique PE police inquiry case number 37/07. Decided on date of judgment 22/8/2014. Member Forest Tribunal, Bongaigaon. Oh, no number. Okay.
Fifth of February.
License.
Item 2 for hearing.
Yes, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, my senior is not present today. He's out of station for marriage ceremony. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Item 3 for hearing.
Yes. Youngest counsel is out of station, Lordship. Yes.
Item 4 for hearing.
With pleasure, Asha. Asha, it is a contested case, Lordship. Impugned order is at page number 32. Petitioner herself and DW2 Gabura deposed before the tribunal. DW3 Sahara Khatun, her mother, also deposed before the tribunal, Lordship. Voter list of 1965, Annex 7, page number 35. Yes.
This particular document has been demolished in your cross-examination.
DW1, Lordship.
Yes.
In my question put by the tribunal, in my page number 22. Oh, it's additional. In my WS and affidavit, the year of birth not mentioned. I have no elder brother and brother, only 4 numbers of elder sisters, respectively Anwara, first Anwara, second Asatun, third Rubia, fourth Sabia Begum. That's names are not mentioned in the WS as well as evidence in SIF. That documents which are
See,
submitted,
Your name is
my name is
Sabia
Sabia
Begum.
Begum. Yes.
correct. Now, your father's name is Saifuddin.
Saizuddin.
Okay, but in this deposition, it is written as Saijuddin, S-A-I-J-U-D-D-I-N. Okay, whatever. But
In the voter list of 1997, Lordship, Annex 9, page number 39.
This is, there's a voters list of 1966. That is at page 36.
Page 36. Page 36.
There are names which you have not been able to show, although we are relying on that.
Saizuddin 338, serial number 338, Saizuddin Ali is my father, Lordship. And serial number 343, Sahara Khatun is my mother.
But you see, in your evidence, you say that you don't have an elder brother, you have only 4 sisters. But then in the voters list of 1965, who are this Abdul Aziz Mia, all sons of Nandu?
Yes, in the WS Lordship, petitioner didn't state the names of her uncles and aunts. That means for brothers, father's brothers, Lordship, and sisters. But in the evidence of DW1, sorry, Lordship, in the evidence of DW3, mother, page number 29.
And in this page, in this cross-examination, second last paragraph, the documents which are submitted in the written statement and affidavit are exhibited, but it is not.
In which page, Lordship?
Page 22, capital A,
22.
not, I can't read that word, by proved in original.
This is additional affidavit, Lordship, additional affidavit of DW1. My, on oath, my present age is 45 years. In the WS, the age is written 45 years.
No, you see, we don't know what has happened. We are sending the record.
Yeah. Okay.
May I proceed, Lordship?
Thing in your written statement, everything comes in the evidence.
Yes, in the evidence only, Lordship. My mother, Sahara Khatun, DW3, Lordship. She stay on her in her cross, Lordship, page number 29.
But basic elementary thing that when you are born is not stated.
Lordship.
Elementary thing that when you are born was not stated by your own mother.
Lordship, I was born in the village Haksora, Lordship.
But look at the evidence.
An evidence he will give on the basis of the WSO.
She was born and brought up at village Hachara,
Achara.
but which year
Here
is
is
not given.
not
Then-
mentioned, Lordship. But my mother deposed for the tribunal and stated that page number 26, Lordship. Para 2. That the OP Sabia Begum of the above noted case is my daughter, who was born and brought up at village Hasara under Moza Nagaon PS and district Borpeta of Assam. That my name, along with my husband Saizuddin Ali and other family members of my husband, has been appeared in the voter list of 1965. Lordship may see page number voter list of 1965 at page number 35. Here. Has Lordship got it? Page number 36.
Yes.
Serial 337 Nazemon Bewa. She is a lady,
These
daughter of
people
Nandu.
always-
Nandu is her
You see, you'll have
father.
to, you'll have to overcome one problem we are having. You have to explain it to us, then we can proceed further. You see, we are trained to understand that once there is a written statement, pleading, then evidence. Correct. So if in the pleadings it is not there, if I make a general statement, let us say that I make a general statement that the bar will have 5,000 members. Whether it is 5,000 or 6,000 or 4,000, we are not vouching for it. It's a general statement. So this general statement doesn't become an evidence. Let us say today we make a statement here. Today is very cold. That doesn't become an evidence. It would be a fact which is relevant to the issue that is to be proved. What is relevant in this case is the link of you with your projected parents. If there is no statement anywhere, and merely you say that he has 5 brothers, 6 brothers, that anybody can come and say.
But the voter list didn't say false, Lordship, where the petitioners, where the serial number regarding Nazim and Baba
Because you don't give you see, you are exhibiting a voter's list, you are not explaining the entries therein. Why?
But I'm concerned only my father, grandfather, Lordship. Siblings matters are
You exhibit the
not
entire
so
list.
important was at that time, Lordship.
You see, if that is so, now let us take a hypothetical situation. Today, while you are here in the courtroom making your submissions, suddenly from your bank account, somebody did a cyber crime and 1,000 rupees is lost. Correct. Now you file a criminal case against someone and he is caught. How will you lead evidence? In your evidence, you will say that on this day I was not transacting in the bank. I was before the court. I was arguing a matter before so and so court. This is the video of showing the timeline that I was in the court at that point of time. Second, you will say that from my account at that moment when I was arguing, rupees 1,000 were deducted from my account, and the deduction is exhibit. If my passbook is exhibit 1, the relevant entry is exhibit 1 by 1, from which 1,000 rupees were deducted. Now let us say you today you are in a very good mood. You say that, well, this is SEC 1996 volume 10 SEC page 200. This is a citation you wanted to rely. But you say that, okay, well, this exhibit 1 is the SEC book. We are giving it to your lordship. You'll just find it out and then give judgment. I'm not saying the citation. I'll just say in one case, the Honorable Supreme Court said like this is the decision of the Supreme Court, please find out and give judgment. Without giving the citation. So therefore, how will the tribunal proceed if you don't prove the entries? Because we are trained to do it. The relevant entry has to be proved. A mere mode and proof of a document is not by exhibiting it. You have to prove the relevant part which you want to assert for yourself. So you'll have to make us overcome that impediment we have in our judicial appreciation of the document.
Lordship, what has happened, that has happened, Lordship. In the WS, I have nowhere said that it is true, Lordship, but in the evidences, DW1, DW3, they are corroborating, Lordship. DW1 also says that I have 4 siblings, sisters, and in the voter list of 1965, the persons names stated here, Lordship, they are the brothers and sisters of Saizuddin, late father of the petitioner. Document itself proof lordship. They are the brothers and sisters as their father's name is the same lordship. In the voter list of 1965, as well as in the voter list of 1970 lordship. Also, Gabra before the tribunal lordship, Gabra also has had the personal knowledge that the petitioner's father stayed in that locality lordship, and she is the daughter of her father lordship, Saizuddin. And the father of the petitioner died 10 to 12 years ago. I'm saying from DW2 lordship 25, page number
85.
page number 25. I have been working as Gabura of village Boradia, Hasora and Baramari since last 20 years. I know the OP Sabia Begum and her father Saizuddin. I know both of them as they are residing within my search. The OP Sabia Begum was given in marriage with Malfat Khan, son of Pahar Khan of village Agdia Pathar. In the cross lordship, the OP Sabia Begum was born and brought up at village Hasora. He has personal knowledge lordship. The father of the OP Sabia Begum is known to me since my taking over charge of Hasora, maybe Hasora lordship, about 20 years ago. He has that knowledge since 20 years lordship.
We'll show you how you may be wrong. Come to page 17.
17. Yes.
I, Chabia, so and so, aged about 54 years in 2017. Correct?
Yes.
Now come to page 25. In 2017, this person is aged 55 years. Correct?
55 years, yes.
So you were 2 years when the petitioner was born.
Also,
Not a personal knowledge.
he has been living in that locality. Gavra should be always in a local person, lordship. So he has that knowledge, lordship.
So living is okay. But the person knowledge is not there. That means it is a presumption that two persons are living together and therefore they are father and daughter.
Lordship, they give the Gabra certificate. Gabras give the Gabra certificate
I'm
only
not
seeing
disputing what you are saying.
the list.
I'm not disputing what you are saying. I'm just trying to explain it to you the legal principles. Personal knowledge.
Lordship, I am also a village girl. When I interact with our Gabura, I ask him one question: that how do you give the certificates? So Gabura says that I always see the voter list. What is the authentic 1965 voter list? Is the authentic voter list? So I saw from there, I see from there, and then I certify the person.
Correct. You have said the correct thing. You have made a correct statement. And you see, that's what we are trying to point it out. When he gives his statement as a Gambura, he relies on certain document. So therefore, that is true to his record. But unfortunately, they don't maintain that record.
Yes, he didn't maintain that record.
Maintain that record.
It is not my fault, lordship. Also, an annual patta, lordship, annex of 14, page number 48.
But you see, the Gambura's evidence is rejected on the ground that he did not bring the original counterfoil.
Gambura. Page 34.
Paragraph 10. This is what is something like difficult for us.
Not evidence of the contents of the points are reported for video by the noise communication. Performance of the observation. Lordship, voter list of 1965 is exhibited. And there it is stated these persons are the son of Nandu. Nandu is the petitioner's grandfather.
Where is,
1965.
where is that?
65 voter list is in page number 35. Original one is in 65, page number 36. Vernacular is on page number 36. My father, Lordship. Nice of them. Age are always age is always discriminatory in voter list, Lordship.
Very important. That means a quick look at the- I don't remember.
Yes, yes, yes. SOP which is prepared by the state government. Yes. 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 I'll provide. Okay. Keratin. The evidence is necessary that consent to be different from adequately consent in the primary system. Admission of documents. Yes. 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 Yes, sir. My father died 10-11 years ago. My father had been residing at village Bestimari under Borpeta PS of from here he shifted to Hasara. My grandfather's name is Nandu, was married on 21 years ago. It is not a fact that my grandfather was yes, yes. Not 3812. Oh, 3817. Yes, yes, doctor. Okay. Office present in Mr. Emmer Advocate the Gabura of Village Hasara. Seen the petition number 127 filed by the OP with a prayer for allowing her to examine the Gabura. Whereas the petition heard, prayer is allowed office to bring the Gabura. The OP is further examined and discharged. The Gabura is also examined and discharged. He issues someone upon the LVO section 38 sentence. Yes. Lordship. My parents, after 1965, shifted to residence from village. Page 17. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, yes. Exhibit A is a certified copy of electoral rule 1965 when my father's name showing as
Saizuddin.
Sajid.
My
My father's name Saizuddin and
Mother's name.
mother's name
Sahara.
Sahara Khatun. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Hmm. Yeah, the party person.
Yes. Hmm. Wait. Yep. Hmm. Okay. Type order. This one. The procedure along with learned advocate. The procedure along with learned advocate is appeared on today. As per order on 21/9/2017, additional evidence on affidavit in chief of the procedure is examined and put question and discharged here. It transferred from the case record that already two witnesses, DW1 and DW2, has examined by the procedure and discharged. Today, learned advocate of the procedure has submitted petition number 499 of 2018 praying for summoning election officer of Borpeta for verifying the supporting documents, that is voter list. That the advocate already exhibited documents which are submitted in the affidavit. So it is not a peak time to call for election officer to verify the documents under the Finance Tribunal Act. Under Section 9 of the Burden of Proof lies upon the procedure. The case is pending since 2013 and the procedure on being noticed. The procedure appeared before the tribunal on 18/3/2017. As such, the petition filed on today by the learned advocate of the procedure is rejected. Yes. Mm. Mm. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. AGP. Yes. Yes. Mm.
What is the logic?
Hmm. Yes. No, no.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. No, there's certain things, I don't know, first blush, it doesn't seem to be applicable. For example, come to page 22. The handwritten copy is down below. I couldn't read it properly, so I'm referring to the type copy, page 22. Certificate of Gaupura village Hasna has not written which number daughter of her father. How's it is matter? When you search for my profile somewhere, you would not find that which number of son of my father I am. These are all irrelevant examination. In foreigners cases, which number of son you are, which number of daughter you are. Can a certificate be negated just because the uh, number of the daughter number is not written there? And everything else is coming in the cross examination. See, again, we page 22, third last paragraph. I have no elder brother, only 4 elder sisters, no my so and so. It is the traveler's question asking everything, filling up every gap which was there. But
My humble submission is that Lordship only aspect is that Lordship we have to see the link. Where is the link of the proceeding?
You got it clarified.
That is not a. No, that is true, my lord. But this part is, my lord, oral evidence. Oh, my lord. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
He says I have got better. Correct. There's a total that. And to the fact witness, the order to that. So now I say that he will the action of that. How the process of the first victim. That. And then the person got to be to start. Time victim. Did he murder? And yeah, please get. But just get.
No. That is.
Standard. None evidence.
No, well, that is accepted, my lord.
The defense witness also.
Yes.
Murder.
Definitely. That is. Yes, that is true, my lord. No, that's why, my lord, what my submission is, contents of the documents, we have no doubt. My lord, yes, those are proof. Even the tribunal, what tribunal has said, my lord, that may be wrong. Because contents, they have brought, my lord, they prove it. That's, I'm accepting it. I'm not on that. But, my lord, to link herself to the father, that must only, to link where is the document, my lord, because in the tribunal, we want, my lord, to link document, which can be established, settled by, my lord, proved by, my lord, by some or documentary evidence. That must only. That link. Otherwise, my lord, we have the 65 voter list is there, 70 is there, my lord. Yes.
The evidence.
Yes. Yes, the evidence is there. The evidence not given. Yes, ma'am. Yes. It is clarified, my lord. Yes. No, I'm not saying, my lord, it is not true. That's why, my lord, the document is proof. The documents which is documents of the contents of the document 1965 is proof, my lord. The father, projected father is there. I have no, yes. Nineteen 97, Annexure I is the exhibit 1997 of the paper list. Yes, no, 97, yes, 97, his name is there. 97 voter list, his name is there, that is also proof.
The last line, last line you see, it has been clarified.
No, you are getting it right. There is account below exhibit I. No, we are in technical account.
B, exhibit B, the last line.
This thing, for my parents' name, change, and change, that's my photo.
Whatever was not there, that has been
Yes,
clarified.
yes. No, that is, my lord, it is understood,
Then-
my lord. I have come to, my lord, it is true, my lord. The whatever is not there in the evidence, even in the WS, those are brought in the cross part.
Taking that, everything is cut it, the back of the.
Examination in chief, my lord. No, that is, my lord, exactly not there, but this honorable court has said, my lord, it cannot, the evidence cannot travels beyond the, my lord, readings in the WS. Yes, that is. Even though, my lord, we accept that exhibit B is proof. Yes. Yes. Congress.
Page 25.
Yes. But my lord, the Gambura has said he has, my lord, Gambura document has to be proved in two ways, my lord. As per the, like, my lord, the Gaon Panchayat certificate. The authenticity of the documents and the contents of the documents has to be proved. Now, my lord, the Gambura, if it is, my lord, if it is the certificate he want to prove, my lord, he has to prove on the basis of contemporaneous record, my lord. The Gambura has said in his cross part, my lord, So it's- Yes, my lord, counterpart. Yes.
Yeah, liquidity.
Yes. This observation is not exactly, my lord, what the, my lord, evidence has said. Yes, no, that is not the only issue, my lord, probably. Yes, not the counterpart, my lord, even, in fact, the evidence says, my lord, the documents and the, I. No, that's, I have read, my lord, that is the observation of the tribunal, but the evidence in para 25, my lord. Yes. My lord, that should not be, my lord, but here I have not produced any documents. That should have been the, my lord, objection. Any documents, record, register, on the basis of which certificate was issued. Yes. That. Yes, not the counterparts, my lord. But the evidence says, my lord, not the documents, record or register. So if certificate is issued, it has to be issued on the basis of. Yes, that is. The first part of the cross, my lord, first part of the cross, the, my lord, last, second, last line is there, my lord, I have not retained any counterfolio of the exhibit D. That part is observed in the opinion. But prior to that, there was a, my lord, clear saying that there is no record, documents, record or register on the basis of which the certificate mark D was issued. That was the point, my lord. Okay. Yes.
He went on and on.
Right.
What a.
Any person.
Now you see, made a statement. That entities otherwise were not correct. There is entity. Why is it that that does not know how to go about think around and whether it can get hard. Just think of it. Paragraph 12. That part. Either to clear the object that after David that can be mother. Correct. Mother. Now, mother you don't call any age. Mother, take mother take it better. I put it back, go and something. That's
Yeah. Take it. What is the stuff? It's called- it's that- it's fabricated. It's not be the village. Try to be city. What is the open that?
Many are there.
That's been a count. That's all. But we- that's not all. What is the exact- that's not there.
Is to the. You have to correct eight of protect four. Yeah, it is not to be tabulous for the had evidence except for this. What was saying? They exploited the opportunity given. Correct the is on it. They brought in everything. Put upon the. Yeah, but we have to start very fast. Say that this. Contact back, give our observation. Everything that they have. Back. Specifically. Put it back up. Cross examination. Cross examination. That's the purpose. You have already done the meeting. What has happened? Don't know. In your case, you have a petition. That in my, that is the according to the evidence, I give my wrong date, or it has 45 or 54, it has been otherwise. Please allow us to correct it. So they are picking. Just utility. It's ordered in 37,000 feet. It's utility. What to do is to keep a fresh evidence. That's the thing. Because for the allowed only for correct. Eight. Instead of that, or not there in your here. Yeah, please repeat again. Must come out to the right. After that. After time, after this temper. Get it. Nine of them. Yeah. Other matters are concerned. Before, I think that a electronic was not
My lord, with regard to item number 14, with motion matter,
Yes.
the instruction is there, my lord. He's in, my lord, Matia Holding Center, my lord. He is now lodged in Matia Holding Center. He has not yet been expelled or deported.
Not
Visitation right, গৈছিলে নেকি? Visitation right to পাইছিলা? No, no, no. Court allow কৰিব to visit.
You have objection to visit at the detention camp? No. We are giving you visitation rights. Accepted. Pardon me? You were thinking something else. Hmm? No, office is not taking. No, no.
He'll be given right to visit.
Hmm?
So he is answering that. But he is not listening to the
No.
court, that's why.
No, you see, Mr.
Court
Suleiman,
is saying,
we are disposing, we are proposing to dispose of the writ petition by a direction that you may have a visitation right. That's all. But insofar as the prayer for releasing, that has to be dismissed. You said that till he is deported, he should not remain in custody. That part of the prayer has to be rejected. That's why we are asking you. The order bail cannot be given because he is a declared foreigner. And this opinion of 24 to 2017, that has attained finality. In view of the order at page 21, which is order dated 4/9/2017, passed in 2808 of 2017. In several other cases, we have made a note that it is permissible for the government to restrain after being declared as a declared foreign national. The state would have a right to restrain your movement, irrespective of the fact whether bail was granted at any point of time. Even if we have gone to the extent of saying that even if this court has granted you bail in the earlier occasion due to COVID, we have, in several cases, we have explained that was to overcome the COVID, and the directions of the Supreme Court was to decongest the jails or the detention centers then. So subsequently, even if those bails are granted, the state would still have the authority to restrain your movement by keeping him at designated camps. So we'll just permit you the visitation right. That's what we are asking you. You can go and visit with the strength of our order. That's all. In this connection, do you want to say anything? So we are not discouraging you from making your submissions. We are just trying to tell you that this is what we have done earlier. So if you can show us any other law or any other submission on the point, we are ready to hear you. We are not discouraging you from making your submissions. We, in fact, want it. Maybe you can throw some other light on the view we have. But that is the consistent view we have been having till now. Uh, you see, in one of not yes, that's why we are telling you. And you see, we have not accepted the submissions with regard to the deportation. What we have held in one of the cases, not one, I think 2 or 3. What we have held is that deportation is a process which is used when a person comes into the country legally and does not go out within the limitations of the visa. But this would not be applicable to an illegal migrant. For an illegal migrant, there is no deportation. It's an expulsion. So therefore, we have, in one of the orders, not one, in fact 2 or 3, we have accepted the plea of the government that the process of expulsion cannot be interchangeably read with the process of deportation. They are two different concepts. Okay, we'll pass orders. We'll give you the visitation right. Other matters, I'm just informing the bar, we will not be able to take it up today. Yes, you want to say anything? Okay. Okay. Special 20 January. Either 20 or either 20 or 23, 22. Just see if you don't have a special pen.
22.
Hmm? 20. 20. Now, just say your positive time matter could not be taken up today. List on 20 January 2026. This will this item 13.
Item 13.
It's a criminal repetition. Yes, you have instructions. Everything has been filed. Mr. Ali was here, he was sitting here, right here. No, not you.
Other,
Mr. R. Ali. Okay. Okay. The same 20. Please inform Mr. R. Ali. Item. No, yours is item 12.
12
We
is
have
already posted.
we have already posted. Okay. AG, Mr. Hazarika. Please inform him also. Okay. Tell the court master will fix a date. But not on 23 then. Either 20, then it otherwise it goes to the week of commencing from 27th. That's why we asked from the registry, the court master. 20 is okay with us, or it goes to 27th or 29th, whatever you want. Item 15, you say both sides are represented. The affidavit by the state has been, it is stated that the affidavit of the state has been filed. Accordingly, raise the matter on 20 January 2026. Just say, you can also add this. Little positive time in matter, therefore, is the matter on so and so. Huh? Okay. Just tell the court master.